Nestled amidst the verdant embrace of Singapore's Botanic Gardens, a new architectural marvel has taken root, touching Eden House. This award-winning dwelling isn't just a house. It's a testament to the harmonious coexistence between nature and urban living. The brainchild of a visionary homeowner and crafted by a team of dedicated consultants, specialists, and tradespeople, Touching Eden House embodies the philosophy of biophilic design. This approach prioritizes connecting residents with the natural world, fostering a sense of tranquility and well-being. The inspiration for the house stemmed from the concept of a biophilic pavilion, elevated and enveloped in lush greenery. The design team, collaborating with a renowned landscape architect, envisioned Touching Eden House as an extension of the Botanic Gardens itself. The landscaping meticulously incorporates plants from the gardens, creating a seamless visual connection. This approach, inspired by the traditional East Asian concept of jiejing, borrowed scenery, blurs the lines between the house and its surroundings. From the moment you step onto the property, a wave of tranquility washes over you. Meticulously landscaped gardens, teeming with vibrant flowers, greet visitors. The house itself appears cloaked in a contemporary veil of privacy and sun screening. Clean lines and expansive glass windows provide unobstructed views of the surrounding foliage, further emphasizing the connection to nature. Upon entering Touching Eden House, the feeling of serenity intensifies. The interior exudes warmth and calm, achieved through the use of natural materials like travertine, granite, and earth-toned fabrics. High performance wood completes the picture, creating a harmonious dialogue with the outdoors. The extensive use of open floor plans and floor-to-ceiling windows allows natural light to bathe the rooms, fostering a sense of spaciousness and eliminating the barrier between the interior and the verdant paradise that surrounds the house. Strategic placement elevates the study and gym to the top floor, offering residents a truly unique experience. Panoramic views of the surrounding tree canopies transform these spaces into secluded sanctuaries, allowing for complete immersion in work or fitness amidst the embrace of nature. Hanging plants cascade from the rooftop terrace and down the sides of the house, adding a touch of whimsy and further blurring the lines between the built environment and the flourishing greenery. The upper floor, a visually striking element, is clad with akoya, a sustainable and durable acetylated wood that provides both privacy and sun screening. The grid facade draws inspiration from traditional garden gazebos designed to support climbing plants. These modular elements can be arranged in various configurations, allowing for customized light and shadow play throughout the day. Touching Eden House transcends the concept of a mere residence. It's an ethereal retreat where dreams take root and the magic of nature seamlessly intertwines with human habitation. The meticulous craftsmanship and thoughtful design elements ensure that the magical alchemy of blending luxury with natural splendor is evident in every corner of this architectural marvel. By day, the house basks in the warm glow of sunlight filtering through the leaves. By night, the strategic use of lighting allows the residence to become a beacon amidst the verdant tapestry of the gardens. Touching Eden House stands as a testament to the transformative power of biophilic design, offering a haven of wonder and an enchanting home for those seeking a life deeply connected to the natural world.